and welcome to my channel. I am Mrs. P. Tarleton, Patricia Tarleton, and I wanted to show you today how to add end screens to your videos. So I'm going to go into my YouTube studio because one of my first videos that I created, I didn't know about end screens. And so I need to get in there and I need to create the end screen. Go over here on the left side, click on videos. Go to the video that you want to edit. So I'm going to scroll down to that video. It's this one right here, niche or no niche. Click on the little pencil, the edit. Now here we are. I've got everything set up, but over here, this is my end screen. Edit that. And end screens cover the last 20 seconds of your video. You can have them run less than that. You just can't have them run more. And here, if you look, you see this shaded area with the lines. That's where you're going to place these cards. So if you want to have one video, these are for videos. These squares are for videos. The circle is going to be for a subscribe button. Or if you just want to put some videos out there, I want to do 2 videos and a subscribe button. So I'm going to click on that, add that there, but notice how it's covering my face. So I don't want that to come on until the end when the ocean is coming on. So I'm going to move this lever over. See, it's still coming on too soon. And see at the bottom here, you can see where the ocean, my ocean scene starts. And then I'm going to just drag these. And I'm going to have them come on once the ocean scene starts, because I think that's better for this video. And each of these you can have do different things. So the first one says video best for viewer. So that means YouTube will choose it. If that's not what I want, I can come over here to the left side. I can click here and it'll be my most recent video that I've uploaded. Or I can choose a very specific video out of my whole list. Maybe let's do a YouTube banner. So that's the one that's going to show here. This one, I'll go ahead and let it be best for viewer. This is my subscribe button right here. But I noticed this is covering some of the words. I can drag and move these around. Bring this down. As long as they don't overlap. If they overlap, it turns red. That means you cannot save it. It also gives you some markings so you know that you have everything centered. So now, when I play my video, you can back this up a little bit, test it out.
Have a great day.
And you can see my end cards will come up. Now, right now it shows there's no video here, but it's going to choose whatever is best for the viewer. That's how you create just a basic end screen using the YouTube template. Now, if you want to make it a little fancier, stay tuned. I'm going to go in step by step how you can do this for free. Create those little fancier templates that you may have seen. I'm going to snip this out so that I can use this as a template because I need those borders. I need to know where is YouTube going to allow me to put in my video clips. So I'm going to, and then I'm going to save this. So you want to save it as a JPEG. So now I go into canva.com and I'm going to upload my template. So here I have my template. Now I've got to stretch this to the size of my canvas. I'm going to come up here, lock it into place, and now I can create my extra design elements. I'm going to go over here, Elements, insert a square, drag it over here, maybe twist it around, give it some little extra dimension. I'm going to do another one, Control C, Control V. Now I have 2 of those. You can spin this around. And I can come in here and I can change the color. I'm going to change it to my branding color, which is this teal color. Click on the other one, change it also to the teal color. Now these boxes, that's my template. I'm going to insert another shape and I'm going to shrink it down to the correct size. A little too big still. Shrink it down. Stretch it out. Control C, Control V. That'll give me a copy. Now I drag it into its spot. Make sure it fits. And I'm going to change the color on these. Change it to this bright yellow. Drag it over. Notice it comes up with the borders that I need. I'm going to move it in just a little bit. Make sure I'm not outside that border. Gives you the lines to line up. And I need to insert something here. This is where my subscribe button is going to go. So add an element. I like this circle. Got to shrink it down to the right size. So have it fill the box. I'm going to change my backgrounds to the darker blue. I kind of like that better. So there you have it. Now the problem is if you don't have the paid version of Canva, you can't get rid of, you can't have a transparent background. However, I'm going to show you the trick how to do that. But one more thing I want to add here, I'm going to add a little arrow and say subscribe. This little arrow is a good one. Point at my little subscribe spot here, and I'm going to put the words in here, subscribe. I like him red. And add a text box to say subscribe. And let's change that to red also. Put it right here at the base of my arrow. I can make that bigger, stretching it out. And these elements can be outside of the box. What can't be outside of the box is the clickable element. So the circle and these squares have to be inside this shaded area, the boundaries that YouTube gives you. So let's go ahead and save this. Actually, I'm going to change the background. So I'm clicking on highlighting the background and I'm going to change the background over here to the background. And I'm just going to make it a green color, kind of like a green screen type of thing. And delete the photo that I had locked in there, unlock it, delete it. There you have it. So let's download. So the trick to get the green removed is you then go into Pixlr, pixlr.com editor. Log into beta, the beta version. So here we go. You see I was playing around with it. Open. And now we go over here to this magic little pin, the wand. It's the magic wand. Click on it. Click on the color that we want to erase and press delete on your keyboard. Notice in here it kept the green. Click on this, highlights it, press delete. You can do the same in here. Clean that up a little bit. Delete. Inside my B. A little bit inside my C. And there you have it. And then you save it to your computer, and you're going to now have a transparent background. Your image, your face, whatever it is, will show up here, and you set your cards for your videos there. And here's where you would set your subscribe on your YouTube video. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So going back into my YouTube videos, I can show you where I've used the end screen. So drag this over, you'll see when it comes on, and the videos will pop up. There's my subscribe button, and these are my videos that play. They're actual clickable links. So hopefully this helps you get your end screen all set, looking professional. Don't forget, take that step. Be uniquely wonderful you. Bye. Have a great day.